Okay, hello everyone. Today we are looking at vowel letters and why some letters of the alphabet are called vowel letters. Okay, so our vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. And there's a reason why these letters are called vowel letters. So let us see if we could discover it for ourselves before I tell you why. Okay? So now, if you notice, this is one of the vowel letters, A, and this is also a vowel letter, right? Now I want you to listen and tell me what you hear when I say each word. What sound this A is making and what sound this A is making, right? When I say the words, both of them start with A. Tell me what the A is saying here and what the A is saying here. So A is the first sound. So when I say the word, that is the first sound will fall out of my mouth, right? So I'm going to say the word apple. Apple. So this is saying apple. Okay? And listen for this, what this one is saying here. Ape. Ape. Do you notice anything? Apple. And this says ape. Apple. Ape. What do you notice about the sound that this A made and the sound that this A made? Are they the same? I'm going to say it again, right? Apple. Ape. So now when I say apple, this letter is saying ah. Here it is saying ah. But when I say ape, this letter, which is the same as this letter, is now saying A. Here it's saying A as in apple, and here it's saying A as in ape. So, A and A, is that the same sound? Apple, ape. Is A and A the same sound? No. But the same letter, this letter is making one sound here and another sound here. Making two different sounds. A and A. And let us look at this letter down here. Now here, this is another vowel letter because the vowel letters are, I'll go through them again. A, E, so this is the letter we're looking at right now, right, in those pictures. Then I, O, U, and Y. So let us go back to this slide here. Sorry, that is the wrong slide. Slide number 3. Right. So I'm looking at this. This is another vowel letter, right? So I'm going to say the word, and I want you to tell me what sound this letter makes, the one that the arrow is pointing at. Listen for it. When the arrow is underneath it, it's saying what sound it makes, right? Egg. So this is saying something and this is saying something else. Egg. Over here, we have that letter again. Look at it. Do you see where the arrow is? It's just like this letter here. But tell me if it's making the same sound. Eagle. Here it's saying eh. It's saying eh. And here it's saying e. Right? So although it's the same letter, it's giving us two different sounds. Two sounds. 1, 2. Where are my fingers? Yes. 1, 2. Okay, so this said something. This said A and this said A, always the same letter. This says E and this said E. This is a E and it's saying E. Right? And let's go to the other slide. This is the letter I here. I. And in this letter, in this word, tell me what sound you're hearing the I make. Gonna. Gonna. What is that I saying there? Gonna. What is the first sound you hear when I said gonna? Yes, it's And here, this is the word iron. Iron. What's the first sound you hear when I say the word iron? Iron. Yes, it's the sound I. Now here this letter is saying and here this letter is saying I. This is the letter I, that's the name for the letter, and it's making a sound just like its name. It's saying I, right? This letter is the letter A, it's called a A, but in this word it's saying as an apple. But over here the A is saying its name, it's saying ape. It's saying A in the word ape, right? This is a E, but here the E is saying as an egg. But over here, the same E is saying its name. It's a E and it's saying eagle. So it's saying E in eagle. Okay? Right, so what I'm noticing is that sometimes these letters make more than one sound. The A is saying and then the A is saying A. The E is saying as an egg, and the E is saying E in eagle. The A is saying in apple, and the A is saying A in ape. So this A can say and this A can say A. How many sounds is that? Is it just one or two? And A. How many sounds is that? Yes. So this letter can make two songs. And this letter here can also make two songs. As in saying when you say egg, you hear an the E saying and when you say eagle, the E is saying E, sounding just like its name. So the E also can make two sounds. So that is a special thing. This is why we call them vowel letters. Vowel letters can make two different sounds. Sometimes the sound that the vowel letter makes sounds just like its name. Like in the ape, you're hearing the letter, it's saying A, and that's the name of the letter, A. But sometimes this letter, the same A, says as an apple. Here, the E is saying here as an egg, and over here it's saying E in eagle. So vowel letters make the same thing here, two sounds. The I is saying in iguana, and now it's saying I in iron, right? So all these vowel letters make two sounds. And this word, the vowel letter is saying it's saying its name as an open. You see that open door? And here you have the octopus. I sit down there. Octopus. Okay, why is it? Yeah, as in octopus, but this wasn't clear for me too. Okay, anyhow. As in, it's hiding underneath there and I can't get it to move. Octopus, okay? So, vowel letters can make two sounds. And so these are the vowel letters. And this is what you have to learn. A, E, I, O, U. And these are called vowel letters because they make two sounds. Other letters in the alphabet, most times they make one sound. There are exceptions to that, right? But most times they make one sound. Y can sometimes be a vowel letter because sometimes it can make two different sounds. Okay, in addition to the sound that it makes, as a consonant. So the vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y. Later on, I will go into explaining why Y is sometimes a vowel, but that is for later. Okay, bye.